Welcome to iCademy, your gateway to quality education, skill enhancement, and career growth. In today's fast-paced world, having the right knowledge and skills can make all the difference. And that's exactly what we're here to offer. At iCademy, we offer more than just online courses. We offer a complete learning ecosystem designed to support you from the first lesson to your final certification and beyond. Whether you're looking to upskill or start a new career path, iCademy provides full access to our training portal for each subscribed course. You'll find recorded sessions, downloadable study materials, and detailed interview preparation guidelines, all curated by industry experts to ensure your success. Our intuitive platform allows you to learn at your own pace. Access materials anytime, anywhere, because we know that flexibility is key in today's busy world. Upon successful completion of your course, you'll receive a publicly verifiable certificate. Share it on your professional networks like LinkedIn, and let potential employers know that you're certified by iCademy. Our certificates are not just for show. They are designed to give you credibility and visibility in the job market. At iCademy, you're not just learning from textbooks. Our courses offer real-time, practical-oriented training, so you're prepared for the challenges you'll face in the workplace. Our trainers are certified professionals with years of experience in their fields, bringing in-depth knowledge and hands-on experience directly to your screen. You'll not only learn concepts, you'll practice them. Our curriculum isn't one-size-fits-all. We provide advanced and customizable content, carefully designed to meet the demands of modern industries. Whether you're new to the subject or looking to specialize in a specific area, we offer flexibility so you can tailor the course to your learning needs. At iCademy, we believe that learning should be personal. That's why we maintain small class sizes, allowing our trainers to give personalized attention to every student. This approach ensures that your questions are answered, your progress is tracked, and your skills are honed to perfection. Preparing for the real world doesn't stop with the lessons. We help you with digital profile and resume building tips, so your qualifications and skills are showcased to their full potential. Our mock interviews with personalized feedback sessions help you refine your communication and interview skills, boosting your confidence for real job opportunities. We know how important affordability and flexibility are. That's why we offer high-quality education at affordable fees, with flexible timings to fit your schedule. Whether you're a working professional, a student, or managing personal commitments. At iCademy, we're committed to making quality education accessible to everyone without compromise. iCademy isn't just about learning. It's about growing, advancing, and unlocking your true potential. Our courses provide you with the tools, knowledge, and confidence you need to succeed in today's competitive landscape. So why wait? Join us at iCademy today and begin your journey to a brighter future. iCademy, empowering careers, inspiring futures. Enroll today and start building the future you've always dreamed of.